Hello student, I am Devin Chaturvedi, your maths teacher, and today I am continuing the chapter lines and angle with the same topic parallel line. So student, I have uh, taught you in the previous video about the parallel line and transversal and angles made by the transversal and parallel lines. Now in this video I am continuing your doubt through an example. If AB parallel CD cut by a transversal M at 2 point, then an angle 3 is equal to 50 degree. So find remaining angles. So this is your question, and I am going to tell you the proper way of this solution to find the remaining angles. Student, this is given angle 3 is equal to 50 degree, and look here, what is the relation between angle 3 and angle 1? Angle 1 is equal to angle 3. The reason, vertically opposite angles. The reason is also mentioned in the line where you have to compare the angles. So angle 1 is equal to, the value of angle 3 is 50. So same value will reflected by the angle 1. Now again, what is the relation between angle 3 and angle 2? Because we have the value of angle 3. Now we have the value of angle 1 as well. Angle 1 plus angle 2 is linear pair. Since angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 180 degree, linear pair. So substitute the value of angle 1, that is 50 degree, plus angle 2 is equal to 180 degree. Now you have the value of angle 2 as well, 180 degree minus 50 degree, that is 130 degree. Now again, if you have the value of angle 2, then what is the relation between angle 2 and 4? Again, they are vertically opposite angle. So angle 4 is equal to angle 2. Reason same, vertically opposite angle. Angle 4 is equal to 130 degree. So you have find angle 1, 2 and 4 when the angle 3 is given. Now compare AB parallel to CD and their relation, which has been taught by me in the previous video. You have the pair of angles, corresponding angles, alternate interior angle and co-interior angles. Now use these pairs of angle and find the value of the remaining angles 5, 6, 7 and 8. So student, the angle 3 is equal to 50 degree and AB parallel CD. So angle 3 plus angle 6 is equal to 180 degree. Why? These are the same side on the transversal and interior angle. Then reason is co-interior angles. The sum of co-interior angle is equal to 180 degree. Then substitute the value of angle 3, that is 50 degree, plus angle 6 is equal to 180 degree. Angle 6 is equal to 180 degree minus 50 degree. Angle 6 is equal to 130 degree. So you have to find angle 6. Now what is the relation between angle 3 and 5? Again, angle 5 is equal to angle 3. Why? Alternate opposite side of the transversal, one on top, one on bottom, and these are called alternate interior angles. Alternate interiors are equal in value, then angle 5 is equal to the value of angle 3 is 50 degree, so angle 5 is also called 50 degree. Again, angle 7 is equal to angle 5, vertically opposite angle. Angle 7 is equal to the value of angle 5 is also 50 degree, and angle 8 is equal to angle 6 with same vertically opposite angles. Angle 8 is equal to 130 degree. So student, by these process you will identify all the angles when one angle is given and of two parallel line and a transversal. The remaining angle 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 either 50 degree or 130 degree. So student, I hope this video is very useful and valuable for you to find out the value of such angle made by a transversal and two parallel line. So if you have faced some difficulty to find out the value of angles, we will discuss in our live classes as well. Thank you.